Claude Code versus GitHub Copilot. Which AI coding assistant is better in 2026? First, let's talk about Claude Code. It's better for understanding large, complex projects, and it's very good at explaining code and fixing difficult bugs. It feels like an experienced programmer helping you. It's best for professionals or professional developers working on big code bases, whereas GitHub Copilot is better for everyday coding. It gives faster code suggestions as you type. It works smoothly inside editors like VS Code, and it's best for students, beginners, and developers who want to code faster. So in 2026, which is better, then you need to choose Claude Code if you want deeper reasoning, debugging, and help with complex software projects. But you can choose GitHub Copilot if you want faster code completion and a tool that integrates seamlessly into your coding workflow. Claude Code is best at thinking through problems, whereas GitHub Copilot is best at speeding up coding. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.